Hi and welcome to lesson 13. I'm Tim Awbery from DMAD Marine Mammal Research Association. For those of you that are watching these videos as they're uploaded on a daily basis, I've got a new piece of artwork. This was done by my girlfriend Laura, so hopefully that'll be far more interesting for you guys to look at than the normal white background. In today's lesson we're going to be looking at one of the most annoying things that can happen with polygon data, which is where you accidentally click and it ruins the polygon data that you're trying to digitize. And we're just going to look at how we can change that and how we can add more points into our polygon data. One thing that can be really irritating when we're creating vector polygon data is when we've got all the way around, well, nearly all the way around completing something like digitizing this lake, and we accidentally make a click in the wrong place, which leaves us with a massive spike which is clearly incorrect. So when this happens, we don't need to panic, we just carry on completing our shape as we were before. Obviously, as always, I'm just rushing this because it's just an example. If you were taking more time to do it, make more points. I'm just going to give you an idea of one. And as you can see, we've got this massive spike which is unrepresentative of the lake. Well, what we can do in QGIS is we can use this tool next to the, it's on digitizing tool, it's next to the add polygon feature, it's the vertex tool, and this allows us to move our point, click on our point we want to move, and then move it. I've moved it just past. Okay, so I can see the edge of the lake. It's just here, so I'm going to move it again. Okay, perfect. And that's got rid of my spike. And what's great is we can use that at any point, so I'm just going to choose a random point. Say I decided I needed my lake in more detail. And we can see that round here, some of my points are quite a long way off. So I can begin to move these, just like I showed you before. But what I can also do, as well as just clicking on the points, I can also click this plus button which appears between the 2 points. If I click the plus button, it'll allow me to create another point in between the 2 points I already had, which just allows us just to add more and more detail to our shapefile. So find the 2 points I'm interested in, and I can just click that, drag it out. Same, click the plus, drag it out, and that's perfect. One other thing I want to show you, and it's more something you should be aware of, it could be a useful tool in theory, but I generally don't find it useful, is that between between 2 points and we're not on our plus, this red line appears. And that means we're selecting the entire line, so if we click it, it's going to move both those vertices. So you see I've moved it right the way out there. I'll just move it back quickly. And you can't see it too well because of the dark background. But it becomes really difficult to move. I mean, luckily we know how to edit our points now, so it's really easy to do now. Just to add an extra point wherever we want. So hopefully that's helped you, and it's something you can use in the future. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and bye.